Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to use an equalizer on your JBL GO 4 speaker. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, you need to turn on your speaker and connect to your phone via Bluetooth. After this, you need to download application named JBL Portable. After you download it and open it, your speaker will automatically add into it if your speaker is connected to your phone. Now we just need to choose our speaker right here by clicking on it. And right here, as the first thing, you can see an equalizer. Right here you can see some presets. You can choose which one you like or test every of them by clicking on one preset and playing some music to hear the difference. But if you don't like any of the presets that you can see right here, you can set up a custom preset. So, to make a custom preset, you would need to swipe to the left and click on this custom right here and click edit. Right here you can see some equalizer settings which are named low, mid and high. Low frequencies are responsible for the bass and high frequencies for the vocal. You can change them as you want by moving these dots right here. If you move the dot up, you are making the frequency more noticeable, and down, reducing them. After you are done with your settings, you just need to click this arrow right here and your settings will automatically save. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.